Hello guys and welcome back to this video. In this video let's discuss about the MIUI 10 on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Before getting started, if you're not already subscribed guys, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each time when we upload a new video. Now let's get started. Finally, the MIUI 10 is here. If you want to download and flash the ROM, here is the link in the description. Here is all new interface, the new notification bar, brightness slide also improved. As you can see, volume controls has been changed like a P style, Android P, and click down for more notification soundbar. Slide up and hold to recent tab menu, also change side by view, which looks fantastic and easy to use. Hold it for more controls such as split screen. As you can see, we can split screen enabled in different shades. Hold slide to recent app menus. Here is the first beta preview. I forgot to mention before. The all new interfaces look fluid and snappier to use. It is very much fast guys and looks messaging app also get an update to identify the message as sent to and automatically add the image to it. Also a call animation also improved and the caller ID also changed. As you can see, the camera app also got some update. The camera is slightly improved, but still in the video section there is no 4K added. And the AI feature was fantastic. As you can see, automatically turn on when there's scene detected, and auto HDR turned on as you can see in the top. Some of the settings are mostly the same. There is nothing new here, but the performance is slightly improved. No 4K, no 60 FPS or nothing. Here are some of the samples. Using back camera on Redmi Note 5 Pro, front camera without portrait, with portrait, back camera once again, the color production is improved slightly, portrait turned on, again the portrait turned on. Here's the low light photo, which slightly improved but still able to see the noise. Here's the footage of the video. Let's see how does it improve. The image stabilization still works fantastic, but the quality of the footage looks such unnatural as to they have to change it. As you can see, it is oversaturated in the video section. The focusing speed is also fantastic. When you manually focus it, it takes some time, but automatically it focuses very quick. The notification I just call, you can see the new animation. and a new caller ID interface. Gallery app is nothing changed, as file manager also. Visibly we can see that the performance has improved quite a lot. It's very much snappier than before. Settings, nothing has been changed as much. Moreover similar, which is built on 8.1 Oreo. I can surely say the MIUI 10 upcoming updates will bring some Android P features. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want more such videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notification. Thank you guys, see you in my next video.